When Mugabe came to power, he captured media space to control the news. State institutions captured, freedom of association closed, women rights closed, freedom of speech closed, opposing voices killed, made to disappear. Anyone who said anything bad against him was killed or made to disappear. Zadapira mashoko atoona kuti aiwa chokwadi chakubudiswa pachena kune vaya vanga vasingazivi aiwa the difference iripo pana RG Mugabe naIT Mnangagwa aiwa nematongero avaita nobva subscribe like on the bell icon. Tiendera mberi panapa BBC vanobuda nyora vachiti well, Africans were celebrating Mugabe because he would come to United Nations General Assembly to insult Western leaders, the likes of Bush Blair. When he chased away white farmers, Africans celebrated him. News all over Africa was black Zimbabweans now own their land. But the truth is, Mugabe and his ZANU-PF leaders with their families shared the land among themselves systematically. Tens of thousands of black Zimbabweans were killed by this man, the one Africa loved so much. When he died, Zimbabweans never celebrated him because of the pain they went through during his time as the president of that country. As usual, we saw some celebration outside Zimbabwe, EFF, ANC, and other organizations celebrating his life. The same playbook that is coming with the Traore. People of Burkina Faso must not trust the praise given to their leader by Africans. They should focus on building their country in silence. Make sure strong institutions are laid down as the foundation of that country. Burkina Faso should have a peaceful life after Traore. The same Africans who call you kwerekweres, if it happens that you find yourself in their countries running away from bad leadership that they supported. Thomas Kwaruya panapa wanaitsangura aiwa ma issues aiwa ema presidents anokuwa kuti yes RG Mugabe at some point aiwa akanga ari right, but panguva ina utaona kuti most of the people pavaimucelebrate vachiti aiwa aita chinhu chakanaka, but behind the scenes kuna vanhu vanenge vachisafa. Imbotizai mafunguro enyu mati kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Mina comment section medu kuzi mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.